Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Stories with Sofia, where learning English becomes an exciting adventure. Today, you're not just watching a video, you're stepping into a new reality. If you listen carefully, this could be the moment that changes your life forever. Let me ask you, are you happy with your life right now? If you died tomorrow, would you be proud of what you've achieved? If your answer is no, this is your wake-up call. Your life won't change by accident or luck. It will change only when you decide to change it. Stop living in excuses. I'm too young. I'm too old. I don't have money. I don't have time. These are lies you tell yourself to avoid responsibility. Why do most people fail? It's not because they're unlucky or not smart enough. It's because they don't take action. They complain instead of solving their problems. Do you think successful people had it easy? Oprah Winfrey, for example, was born into poverty and faced countless challenges. Yet, through hard work and focus, she became one of the most influential people in the world. What's stopping you? The answer is simple: your mindset. Imagine the life you could have. Close your eyes and picture it. You wake up in your dream home. A luxury car is parked in the driveway. Your parents are smiling because they no longer have to worry. You've provided them with the life they deserve. Open your eyes now. Does this seem impossible? It's not. This life is achievable, but it requires commitment and a willingness to change. Your habits are the foundation of your future. If you spend hours watching Netflix, scrolling Instagram, or playing video games, you're throwing your future away. Time is your most valuable resource. Every second wasted is gone forever. Successful people use their time wisely. They read, learn, and take steps toward their goals while others waste time. Think about your parents. Your mother carried you for 9 months, sacrificing sleep, health, and dreams to give you life. Your father worked tirelessly to provide for you. Now it's your turn. Don't you want to make them proud? Imagine giving your mom the keys to her dream house or telling your dad he never has to work another day. This isn't just about money. It's about giving them peace, happiness, and pride. But success isn't easy. It requires sacrifice. It means waking up early, working hard, and saying no to distractions. There's a story about a young man who wanted success. He went to a mentor for advice. The mentor took him to the ocean, held his head under water, and let him up only when he was gasping for air. The mentor said, "When you want success as badly as you want to breathe, you'll achieve it. How badly do you want it?" Look at the people around you. Are they lifting you up or dragging you down? Surround yourself with those who inspire, challenge, and push you to be better. Sometimes that means cutting off toxic relationships. Your future is more important than their opinions. Most importantly, believe in yourself. The world is full of doubters and critics. Prove them wrong. Failure isn't the end, it's the beginning. Every successful person you admire has failed countless times. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team but went on to become a legend. Failure is a lesson, so embrace it and keep moving forward. Take time for yourself. Spend a few minutes each day in silence. Reflect, meditate, and breathe. During this time, talk to yourself. Say, "I am capable. I am strong. I can achieve anything." Your mind believes what you tell it. Stop feeding it negativity and start planting positivity. Close your eyes again and visualize your dream life. See yourself achieving your goals, building your dream house, and traveling the world. Visualization is powerful, but it's not enough. You need to take action. Your mind is a tool. Control it, or it will control you. You are not defined by your past. Your mistakes, struggles, or failures don't limit you. Every day is a chance to reinvent yourself. Take full responsibility for your life. No excuses, no complaints, just action. While you work toward your dreams, celebrate small wins. Did you wake up early? Celebrate. Did you complete a goal? Celebrate. Success is built on small victories that add up over time. Finally, stop settling for average. Don't just get by, aim to excel. People may laugh at your big dreams, but one day they'll applaud. Start small, dream big, and take consistent action. Your time is now. Don't wait for the perfect moment because it doesn't exist. Ask yourself, why not me? The only person stopping you is you. So, stop making excuses and start taking action. You're capable of extraordinary things, and the world is waiting for your story. Believe in yourself. I believe in you. Now go out there and make it happen. You are unstoppable.